It's so much fun to cook in cast iron, and it's the best among the metal cookware. It needs some love and careful maintenance to keep it going for years. So let's see how to season a new carbon steel pan and re-season an old cast iron pan. Carbon steel is nothing but iron with a bit more carbon content. These pans are thinner and lightweight compared to cast iron. This beautiful wok has been hand washed and ready for some seasoning. I'll heat this on high until it changes color and apply a thin layer of oil. If possible, try to season the pans outside or in the garage, or if doing it in the kitchen, turn the vent on and keep the windows open. The pan soon changes to blue color and then slowly fades away. That's when we know we can start applying the oil. Turn the heat off, take a paper towel, fold it, dip it in the oil, and quickly apply it to the hot wok. And then we'll turn the heat on back again and heat it up for another few minutes. I'm going to repeat this process for 4 to 5 times. This seems ready, and I'm going to season the backside as well to prevent rust. And to test if the wok is seasoned well, wipe it with a paper towel or a napkin, and it should come off clean without any metal residue. This is a very old griddle with a nice smooth layer on the top from all the cooking over the years, but the backside of it is rusted. I've heated this up, applying some oil now, and then I'm going to turn the heat back on and let it sit for a few minutes. That looks good. I'm going to turn the heat off, re-season another pan with the same process. If for any reason a cast iron pan has been rusted, wash off all the rust and re-season it using this method, and that should fix it. Some people grind the surface of the cast iron pans to get a smooth finish and re-season it. There will not be a difference in the cooking performance, but it'll give the pan a nice, smooth, shiny surface. And let's test the new pan and the seasoning by making an omelette. The first few times it might need a little bit more oil than usual, but as we cook more and more at the right temperature, too much oil will not be needed. A few more drops just in case, and time to flip. Come on, come on. That's wonderful. That's coming off very clean. This is the second omelette. See how easily it's sliding this time, all thanks to the seasoning. And now let's see how to clean and take care of these pans. Cooking in cast iron is not only fun but healthier compared to other cookware. Cleaning them is very simple. Transfer food to a different container as soon as it's ready. Let the cast iron pan cool, hand wash it, wipe it with a towel, and moisturize with a thin layer of oil, especially if the pan is new. I clean my pans with this chain mail using dish soap. This takes off any hard-burnt food off of the pans and keeps them smooth and clean. The chain mail can be thrown into the dishwasher to keep it clean. It is as simple as using any other scourer. You can also use a stainless steel scourer to clean these pans, except that it needs to be replaced very often. I hope you enjoy cooking in cast iron as much as I do, and hope that this video has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.